Hi guys. Okay, we're going to wait for people to follow.
Hello.
Hi.
Have you guys done a live before?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Back in
Office
back
law.
They are
those
experts.
Instagram days.
Oh, experts. Okay. In fact, I haven't done many lives.
Okay. We can actually add also. Our team members also we can add the girls.
The girls?
Yeah.
Are they not here?
No,
They're coming.
Yeah. Okay.
Usually we can do collaboration live.
Who are they? మేము శుభం టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ అందరం.
Who are they? Who asked? Shubham. Congratulations, Team Shubham. Thank you guys.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for the amazing
Thank-
response.
You want to say something? How do you feel?
యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా నాకైతే ఎందుకు నార్మల్ ఉంది బట్ స్టిల్ వెన్ ఐ సిట్ అండ్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ దెర్ ఇస్ సమ్ రష్ దట్ ఇస్ కమింగ్
Yeah.
అంటే సడన్లీ దట్ ఇన్ని రోజులు డ్రీమ్ చేసిందంతా ఇట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఫైనలీ అండ్ థియేటర్ లో జనాలకి ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు సినిమాని ఇట్స్ సచ్ అ గ్రేట్ ఫీలింగ్.
I think that how do you feel reading reviews, particularly mundu probably just a line or something,
Yeah.
right? Untadi kada. Now it's like I think it's like paragraphs about
Yeah.
each person.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about that? Having like
The next day, when I woke up to all amazing reviews.
Right.
Morning లేవగానే అసలు అంటే we made it like we finally 1 year నుంచి మేము మన సినిమా చేసినాము అండ్ 1 year నుంచి ఆ రివ్యూస్ చూడగానే I don't know that feeling. It's very new to me. The first
Right.
film, yeah.
has it sunk in? As in
No, I don't know.
I
I'm just
don't know.
feeling mixed feelings in it.
I know. I remember my first film also. Okay, where are the girls? Yeah, the girls are coming. Girls are a little late, no. Okay, we're taking questions now. Hi. Thank you for coming to our live session. Thank you so much. Thanks to you. You guys made this film. Thank you for all the amazing reviews. We made this film with a lot of heart, and we made it with the most talented group of people, and we're so proud. Team Tralala is so proud of this small big achievement. And we have you to thank for that. So we're here to answer your questions about Shubham, about our cast, our crew, their lives, their journey, their experiences on Shubham, and all the love that they are receiving. Rahul Maran, thank you for thinking that it's a good film.
సో నిన్న నైట్ నుంచి ఫాస్ట్ ఫీలింగ్స్ అయ్యాయి ఫుల్ గా ఈ రోజు కూడా ఫుల్ ఫాస్ట్ అది ఆరెంజ్ చూడగానే ఫుల్ హ్యాపీనెస్ అసలు
అవునా?
అసలు క్రేజీ అసలు అంటే మౌత్ టాక్ వల్ల చాలా మందికి వెళ్తున్నారు సినిమా సో చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ అసలు ఆ ఫీలింగ్ మట్టికి
Is Shubham movie a funny film or an emotional film or a family film? Who wants to answer this question? Maybe Vasant. I think you
Vasant.
should answer this. Vasant is our writer. People are asking me now, wait, is Shubham a horror comedy or is it a family film or is it a thriller or what is it?
I think it's everything, right? I think it's for the first time after many days, right? After many years, I've seen ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ సెటప్ లో ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ సెటైరికల్ గా ఒక హారర్ అండ్ కామెడీ సెటప్ అయిన సినిమా ఇది. సో ఐ థింక్ అన్ని కలిసిన సినిమానే చెప్తాను నేను. ఇట్ డజంట్ ఒక పీస్ అని ఉండదు, అంతా కలిసే ఉంటుంది అని నా ఫీలింగ్. బట్ యా, థ్యాంక్స్.
How do you feel, Vasant? Like, everyone is calling it a new age comedy, and the reviews are amazing, and especially your writing is being appreciated. And it's not very often that there are such unanimously positive reviews. I haven't read, like I haven't done quite a few films, and it's always like some people saying it's good, some people saying it's
Right.
bad. But I think overall for Shubham, the response has been unanimous, both from the critics and from the public. So and you guys are new. People work really many years, many films to get these kind of reviews. So it's all new for you. How do you feel about that?
So basically, there is this entire teamwork that has come in play, especially for our film. So the inputs that I've got from everybody, like from you, once we have done the workshops, or from the actors,
I think for
Raj sir. I mean, it was amazing because I keep on saying this. It was just I used to send like maybe 20-25 stories right now to Raj sir, among which he wanted to do this, he wanted to start this, and ఇది just ఒక half page I have sent it to him, half page with 4 lines, and maybe thematically this can be.
I remember. Yeah,
From
I remember
there,
the whole
we were
journey.
working on the line order for almost like 4-5 months. We both worked on the line order. Then Samantha garu kuda involve ayyaru. Then her perspective added in the tarvata Praveen came in picture, and what it could become, like enta a range తీసుకెళ్ళొచ్చు దీన్ని, so his belief in the script, and then also it's just that the organic environment that was created around this script, right? On the set, we tried to do a lot of things. We tried to get a lot of actors' inputs. For example, Kings of the Lord ani dialogue Harshit ide basically.
Kings of the Lord.
Adi naadi kaadu. So it got a lot of
That's your input. Yeah,
Wife's life in danger. Wife's life in
Who
danger.
came up with that? Why you?
Wife's life in danger.
Oh wow, some iconic lines there.
So the story actually became everybody's, like అందరిది కదా. It's like నేను చెప్పిందే చెయ్యాలి అని ఎవరు ఫీల్ అవ్వలేదు, అండ్ స్టోరీ is above everybody కదా. That's what made this special. That's what worked for everyone. Yeah, thanks.
ఒక పాయింట్ లో వసంత గారు భయం అయింది, నా పేరు పడుకోలేదు.
I know. So I think that for the first time, everyone is multifaceted in this group. You know, whether it's Charan, everyone can write, can come up with their. In fact, Charan writes, edits, makes his own videos. So it is a multifaceted and multi-talented group here, and I'm so proud that they're finally getting their due today. Charan, you want to say how it feels finally to now? Actually, you said that you were an introvert and that you were very scared to like come out and speak to act, you know, in public, and so you were doing it in your room, and you were making these videos and editing it and releasing it, and they were becoming hits. So now, how do you feel like you're out there? This is like the most like big bang, right? There's not even like a slow. It's like a direct big bang. How do you feel about that?
Feels amazing, ma'am. Because I mean, whenever you watch some films, you feel like, అరే ఈ సినిమాలో మనం ఉంటే బాగుండే, అరే ఈ సినిమా చేయొచ్చే. I think Shubham is that kind of film where I'll look at it and I'll be like, అరే ఈ సినిమా మనం ఉంటే బాగుండేది ఇందులో అని చెప్పి. So it's nice that I got a nice part in this film, and also it's surreal because wherever we are going, people are like, you know, shouting in theaters and all. It's crazy how they are, you know. I think మా ముగ్గురు క్యారెక్టర్స్ మొత్తం they went into people organic. I think they'll call you Cable Srinivas.
What is the biggest compliment that you guys received?
I didn't think of it. మీరు రండి ఒకసారి.
What is the biggest compliment you received?
The film is amazing, and also I think some filmmaker told me, don't like, this film is something that Samantha ma'am promote చేస్తారు ఎలాగైనా, ఒకవేళ చేయకపోయినా సరే in 3-4 days it will go into people anyways. So this is that kind of film అని చెప్పి చెప్పారన్నమాట.
I think everyone's especially mentioning about actors' performances.
Yes, yes.
That is something.
How do you feel about that? Because you know, to be honest, let me be honest, there are many very established actors who many films later also still have questionable performances, to be honest. But you guys, in the very first film, you know, it's not your first film, I know that, but I mean like a full length role, full length role also you've done, sorry. only you are pardoned, but everyone else, like,
The stars are here.
yeah, the stars. We have more stars. Yeah, so like for the first time, I've never seen such you. Okay, welcome guys. Welcome. We have more of the cast, more amazing people to joining us on this live session. We were just asking, like, what is your biggest compliment that you received after the film release? Vamshi, మీరైతే అందరూ I think the unanimous thing is we need more of Vamshi. We need more of Vamshi. అయితే ఇప్పుడు spin off on Dish Kumar I think is required.
సెంట్రల్ ఐడియా.
So we were asking what is your biggest compliment? Come, you come here and sit down.
నాది నా కాంప్లిమెంట్
Shalini. You sit down here now. You sit here. You sit here now inside. You sit here. I'll sit here for some time. What is the biggest compliment you guys received? So tell us.
Biggest compliment I received is it was very convincing that I played a Muslim character.
Oh yeah, I was actually so surprised when you had, and then you explained to us what you did, little things that you did. Arre, what a talent! So Shalini here is also a director. She's not a dancer, but she's a singer. She's a writer. She's a director. So I think she's a talent to watch out for. She and Vamsi are quite the talented duo. They're also directing them and acting in their next film. So I think that this is a very, very talented group of young kids here. I should call them kids because they are kids. So yeah, that was your compliment. Vamshi, your biggest compliment?
నాకు సమంత గారు ఇచ్చింది
ఏం
నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇది సుమా గారి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో he's such a phenomenal actor.
But it's true. Fan అయిపోయాను నేను. So after I started following Vamshi and then I started stalking him. I went down right to the first thing, మీరు railway station లో మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
తరువాతి స్టేషన్ సికింద్రాబాద్ తలుపులు ఎడమ వైపున తెరుచుకుంటాయి.
Praveen, మీరైతే man of the moment. Compliments. What is a compliment that really made you feel very special?
Yeah, this is my first theatrical film.
This is your first.
సో అందరూ లైక్ థియేటర్ లో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇట్ వాజ్ సో హ్యాపీ. అంటే ఇదంతా టీం వర్క్. అంటే మాకు రాజ్ సార్ ఇచ్చిన గైడెన్స్ కానీ, వసంత్ గారు రైటింగ్ కానీ, మా యాక్టర్స్ అసలు గ్రేట్ కొలాబరేషన్ కానీ, అంటే జనరల్ గా ఇలాంటి టీం నాకు లైఫ్ లో ఇప్పుడు దొరకదేమో అనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ టీమ్, మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళతో ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి అని చాలా ఉంటది నాకు. అండ్ సమంత గారు లైక్ షీ గేవ్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్రీడమ్ టు అస్ టు జస్ట్ డూ ఏ గుడ్ ఫిలిం, జస్ట్ మేక్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ ఫిలిం. తన ఇన్పుట్స్ కానీ మాకు వర్క్ షాప్స్ అయినప్పుడు తను ఇచ్చిన స్మాల్ న్యూయాన్సెస్ కానీ అందరూ క్యాప్చర్ చేసి ఇలా చేయొచ్చు అని. సో ఇట్ వాస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. అండ్ మా షూటింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే అసలు ఏదో పిక్నిక్ వెళ్ళేట్టు ఉంటుంది. వి మిస్ ఆల్ దోస్ డేస్ ఆఫ్ షూటింగ్.
Maybe we should do Shubham 2 emo. Yes. Part 2.
అబ్బాయిలకి సీరియల్ సో ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అసలు ఈ ఫిలిం గానీ. ఇంకా అంటే ఐ ఆల్వేస్ విష్ ఇలాంటి సినిమాలు ఆడియన్స్ కూడా ఏం ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారంటే చూసినప్పుడు చాలా ఆర్గానిక్ గా నవ్వారు. అంటే లైక్ వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఫోర్స్ఫుల్ గా ఎక్కడ నవ్వలేదు. అంటే ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ ఫ్రమ్ హార్ట్. చాలా రోజులు అయింది మమ్మల్ని చూసి. దట్ వాజ్ ఎ మూమెంట్. చాలా మంది నాకు మెసేజ్లు చేశారు, పెద్ద పారాగ్రాఫ్లు, ఇలాంటి సినిమాలు తీయండి మీరు, ఇంకా ఇలా చూడాలని ఉంది. దట్ వాజ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ థింగ్ ఫర్ అస్, ఫర్ ఎవ్రీబడి. అది
I think ఇంతకు ముందు Gavireddy was going to direct, but I think after this నేనే ఆపేస్తాను. మీరు ఫస్ట్ యాక్టింగ్ చేయండి, తర్వాత చూద్దాం డైరెక్షన్. మీరైతే స్మాల్ సూపర్ స్టార్ అయిపోయారు. ద కామిక్ టైమింగ్. సో మీరు చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ the most favorite compliment that you received so far? ఇంకా వస్తాయి కానీ till now what is your most
So,
special compliment?
ముందుగా అందరికి శుభం సినిమాని ఇంత పెద్ద హిట్ చేసినందుకు
మరీ పర్టికులర్ గా సమంత గారి ఫ్యాన్స్. ఎందుకంటే సమంత గారితో పాటు మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ కూడా సినిమాని అంతే బాగా మోసారండి, బయట ప్రమోషన్ చేసి సినిమాని అంత బాగా ప్రమోట్ చేశారు. సో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. పర్టికులర్ గా ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి చాలా మంది ఫోన్ చేసి సినిమా చాలా బాగా చేశారు, అందరూ కొత్త వాళ్ళైనా సరే అని చెప్పి ఇండస్ట్రీలో చాలా మంది సపోర్ట్ చేశారండి. సో అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇంకా పర్టికులర్ గా మా ఊర్లో నేను సినిమా చూస్తున్నాను, మా ఊళ్ళో సినిమా నేను యాక్టర్ గా సినిమా చూసుకున్నప్పుడు మా బామ్మగారు వచ్చి అబ్దుల్దానికి ఆమ్లెట్ ఇచ్చారు. అబ్బాయి ఎరగబడేసాం అబ్బాయి, సినిమా చాలా బాగుందని చెప్పారు. పర్టికులర్ గా మన శ్రీపాతి వాళ్ళందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Let's take a few questions.
మా సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత మా ఊరి నుంచి మా బామ్మగారు ఒక మాట అన్నారు సినిమా చూసాక, అబ్బాయి ఎంత మంచి సినిమా తీశారంటే ఈ సినిమా చూసాక ఆడవాళ్ళకి సిగ్గు అవుతుంది, మగవాళ్ళకి బుద్ధి అవుతుంది. సినిమా ఆవిడ అంత బాగా అర్థం చేసుకున్నాడు నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు.
I mean, that's why they are the most smartest and wise, right? Let's take a few questions now. Okay. Let's see. Any questions? Hollywood versus Bollywood. I know someone wants to take that.
Hollywood.
Okay, so then next question. Until then,
మదర్స్ డే స్పెషల్.
yeah, you should say that.
సో హ్యాపీ మదర్స్ డే టు
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day
ఈ
to
మదర్స్ డే సందర్భంగా మీరు మీ మామ్ ని తీసుకెళ్లి మంచిగా చాలా రోజులు అవుతుంది, వాళ్ళు కూడా అన్ని ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని చూస్తారు ఫిలిమ్స్ అన్ని, థియేటర్లకి మంచిగా పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ ఫ్యామిలీ అందరూ ఎంజాయ్ చేసే ఫిలిం శుభం. తప్పకుండా తీసుకెళ్ళండి, వాళ్ళు 2 hours నాన్ స్టాప్ బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. అండ్
బేసికలీ ఇది మదర్ తో చూడాల్సిన సినిమా అండి, ఎందుకంటే వి ఆల్ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కదా. వాళ్ళు సీరియల్ చూస్తూ ఉంటే మనం చిరాకు పడ్డం కానీ, లేదా ఏదో టైంలో కాంప్రమైజ్ అయ్యి సరేలే నువ్వే చూడని చెప్పేసి కాంప్రమైజ్ వెళ్ళిపోవడం కానీ ఇలాంటివన్నీ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా చిన్నప్పుడు. సో సమ్వేర్ ఇద్దరు కనెక్ట్ అవుతారు మదర్ తో. వెన్ వాజ్ ద లాస్ట్ టైం యూ ఎంజాయ్డ్ ఎ ఫిల్మ్ విత్ యువర్ మామ్ టైప్ లో, టేక్ యువర్ మామ్, మదర్ ని ఫాదర్ ని అందరిని తీసుకుని వెళ్ళండి. మీ మదర్ అయితే డెఫినెట్ గా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు, చాలా రిలేటబుల్ గా ఉంటుంది అని మేము ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం.
ఎస్పెషలీ మా మదర్ చాలా క్రిటికల్ అన్నమాట.
Your mom is hi. Hello. So I've been hearing that a lot of my friends have said that yours is their favorite.
నేను చెప్పినట్టు స్వీటెస్ట్ పర్సన్ వైలెంట్ దయ్యం.
And especially they keep mimicking that phone call. That was so cute. I loved it.
And Pushpa.
So
This one
I saw question, did Shubham release? Of course it has released. It's in the theater. Please do watch the film. We've got unanimously positive reviews. Everyone is loving the film. So I think this is a film that all of you should take your family and watch for the amazing performances.
Yes.
The amazingly new amazingly new concept and genre, the writing, the direction. I think on this one we all are so proud to have scored full marks. So we really want you to enjoy this film. We are going to be taking some questions, except that I think I can't. Saaptingla ellarum. Did everybody eat? Did everybody have lunch? I love you too. Thank you so much. Tummy is full with happiness. Can we watch the film with kids? Okay, yeah, of course you can watch this film with kids. It is like we said, it's horror comedy and it's much more as well. So it's a very cute film. It's not something that I myself I cannot watch a horror film. So this is a film that I watched so easily and laughing throughout. Like I promise you that once you watch this film, you'll be laughing from the start of the film to the end of the film. That's what we heard in every theater that we went to. Just so many laughs and so much joy. And it was really nice to have made a film that sparks so much happiness and joy. So we just asked before, what is your favorite compliment that you received What is the best compliment that you received so far after the film release?
Most people are saying, like, especially from my family, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి దయ్యం దయ్యం అని పిలుస్తుంటారు అది కరెక్ట్గా చేస్తాను manifested in traveling, manifested.
Why do they call you Dayam?
I don't know. They just have a ball at picking it.
Oh gosh, so hi Balu. Okay, we love you too, and can we expect Shubham too? Yes, and we have the star our star. Yeah, we'll all take turns in. Yeah, so
I'm so sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry.
So we were just asking, what is your favorite compliment that you received after the film released? Best compliment.
The best compliment I got was my close fans and friends and family.
It's okay, now she has fans. Okay, let's relax.
Yeah. So somebody told me that so basically wherever my dad is, he would be doing the hook step. So that was
cute.
sweet.
But okay, no, but your performance-wise,
Yeah, performance.
it's okay. You can gloat a little.
My brother, he's my biggest critique, and he basically whatever I do, he never usually likes it. So, but he loved Shubham.
Yeah.
He was just telling me how everybody in the US were loving it, cheering, and he told him it was one of his biggest film good experience that he's had in the recent times.
How important is this film for all of you? How important it is? Is this like entry into this industry, which is very difficult for newcomers? It's very difficult to make a mark, especially on your first big film. It's very, very difficult. I mean, the first review that I read for Shubham was from G.V. Garu, who had just put out a small snippet while he was watching the show, and it took me back to the time when Mai Chaisavi released, and I had only then come to Hyderabad, and I had gone to the theatre. I came back from the theatre and I saw GV review, which is, I didn't know who GV sir was, and this was the first review I read, and it just, I think I started crying reading that review, because there was a big paragraph about me, and nobody's ever given me that much of importance in life, and so it just mattered to me so much, and it stayed with me till now. And so it was so important that the first review as a producer that I read was GV's review, and it said that this is a good film and it was an important film to make. So I know how that first review really hits you and stays with you. So how important is this film for each one of you?
Well, అంటే మేము చాలా like 1 year, 2 years, all of us over here have been working to get here for quite some time now. So Shubham andarki raavadam, and Shubham, the dream team, as you can see, everybody is so good at what they do. So all of them coming together, and ma wait ki the result is here is what I really feel. So I'm really happy about it.
I think this film is very important because you've been doing a lot of things. YouTube చేస్తున్నావు, Instagram చేస్తున్నావు, తర్వాత వెబ్ సిరీస్ చేస్తున్నావు, బట్ that నీకు టాలెంట్ ఉంది, యూ కెన్ డూ మచ్ మోర్ అని అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఈజ్ లాకింగ్. సో ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ Shubham is that one film where...
Have you been to many offices and many auditions? And
yeah, it's been like almost 5 years నుంచి. అంటే I'm fortunate that I got Mail లాంటి ఫిలిం రావడము, అండ్ దెన్ అక్కడ నుంచి యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక మంచి పుష్ వచ్చింది ఫర్ మీ టు, అంటే ఎక్స్పోజర్ వచ్చింది, అండ్ దెన్ I got Kalki. But you know that you are much more than that. You can prove yourself. Inka chala undi, that you have so much to showcase ani anpistadi. And I feel like Shubham is that film where like this is like the start of, this can be a good start, oka kick start na career ki. And ilanti cinema la ilanti role raavadamu, and I feel like it's we are really fortunate that ante chaala mandi talented people unnaru, but opportunity is lacking, and ఇట్లాంటి సినిమా అండ్ మీరు ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడము అండ్ ఇంత పెద్ద ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇవ్వడము, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఎన్ని సినిమాలు నేను చేసినా దిస్ విల్ బీ ద మోస్ట్ స్పెషల్ ఫిలిం. Shubham is always the most important chapter of my life, and yeah, so fortunate that ikkada కూర్చుని still I still can't believe that this is happening.
I know it's hard to convince a family, right? If you guys are saying that 2-3 years you all have they have sacrificed to trying to make a mark here. Families will be like, "Em chestunnao? Like we spend so much money on your studies and your education, and you are wasting it." So it's a hard battle, right,
Yes.
for all of you.
Yes.
Is there any?
I can add to that actually. I know everybody knows like that I'm from America, so I won't go into that. But I know how many sleepless nights my mom has had thinking about me being alone here. Ma'am, over 2 years, I had gone through at least 200 plus auditions because I knew that if this journey needed to be worth it, I had to do a story that really sat in my gut in a good way. And Shubham was that. And I truly feel that if my parents allowed me to give me the wings to fly, you were like the runway. So like Shubham is, to me, ma'am, it is like, it's everything right in this point in my life. Like Shubham is everything, and it is a start to.
Are you guys getting calls from other production houses and other people already? Like, okay, few questions we should take. I am only seeing hearts. So guys, tell me something. What do I tell you?
Deepak has some questions.
When are we remaking the film in Hindi? Are we? That would be amazing. Shubha. He already has a name. Amshi already has a name.
No, the
Sam?
song is also Dood aur Pani.
You see, the talent flows in this group. Then, next question we have is upcoming movies. Okay, under Tralala, since we already have a hit, we have more confidence now. And the next film is Ma Inti Bangaram, and that's with me in the lead. And in under Tralala. Yay! I thought that the first film should not be me in the lead, so that's done. We've done it. We're very happy with the response, and now it's time to be selfish again. And make one for me.
I had some questions. Ma'am,
Avana? You had some questions for me? Nobody has questions for me.
How about we ask questions about Shubham too, ma'am? Ma'am, your favorite scene in the
So my favorite scene has to be your and the remote scene. The batteries, I died because see that was, so the thing is, by the end of the film now every scene is special, but and actually the water tank and the cemetery, that was just, it was just the most organic, meet cute, and most I've just honestly I've done so many meet cute scenes in my entire career. I'm always doing these meet cute scenes, but this was just so relatable. Like I could imagine that is a conversation I would have too. So it just felt so organic and natural. I think that was the first one that hit me. And just that the fact that you guys were so sweet and so like cute and so innocent and naive, and it also made me feel that I can never go back to that again, because that whole I remember how it felt to be in EMI Chesavi. You can't, which is why I always advise newcomers to always keep that keep that innocence as long as possible. Don't expose yourself to the industry too much. Keep yourself away from it and keep that little innocent side of your life. So I could see that, and my heart went out to that scene. And after that was the batteries and the alpha scene. There are too many. And I'm glad I ended up doing that cameo. I did not do it. I was not going to do it right up until the previous day. I was like, no, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Then somehow I think Vasant had called Raj sir, and he was like, go check it out. And I was on the side, was like, so I think that I just decided to do it at the last moment. So I'm glad that also happened. And each one of you had specific scenes that I absolutely loved, you know, even the smallest things that you did. You're like, how much you earn? It was just everything. It was so cute, and that one when you have that big smile and they'll be like you understood. I didn't understand anything. Yeah, that was so sweet. And Vamshi though is my Vamshi.
Last minute. Tomorrow there is a shoot, and today we have to call him.
Wow. I think that is where Shubham is special, because everything just came together. The moment I saw Vamshi and then Arya said, the last minute I called, I went and hugged him. I was like, thank you. Thank you so much, because that the moment I saw Vamshi and just the comedy timing, I'm used to seeing, you know, comedy on scene, but that timing and that kind of like that confidence, that smile, like what is that line when she says
ఊర్లో ఇంకోసారి కనిపించదు
another line
ఎదురుపడే ఈ ఊర్లో మా ఆయనకి ఎదురొచ్చే ధైర్యం ఎవరు
nothing was written.
On the spot.
So I think that it's time that we really push talent like this. I mean, it's like amazing to have such talent, and I know that this group is just going to fly. We've been talking quite a lot without answering any questions. Deepak, do you have questions for us? Movie is really good, full comedy. Thank you so much. Charan Anna matladali, please. Charan Anna. Chappandi Charan.
Charan is like, he has friends everywhere, ma'am.
So Charan Anna matladali.
నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తావో చెప్పు
వీడియోస్ ఐ డు బట్ ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు సే నేను లైక్ నిన్న మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఒక ఆడియో క్లిప్ పెట్టాడు నైట్ ఒక 12:30 or something. He watched the film with his family, so he's like after Mad I think you got so many films but నువ్వు చేయను అంటే we thought you were stupid, and even my parents
you said no to many films.
I'm like I don't know why I don't see myself in that film, but when they watch Shubham they're like no, we understand like what kind of films you want to pick.
I think we all get parents' pressure.
Actually, a little bit of true. It's true for most of us, all of us here, ma'am. We are extremely critical and picky of what we want to do. And Shubham is one such film which actually got us all together. It is such a rarity to get such wonderful
I think it's all the no's also that got us
The
here.
God is
Got us to Shubham.
Also
Now
the biggest star of Shubham.
Our very own అంటే క్లైమాక్స్ లో రమ్మన్నారు
I mean, నేనైతే
I think you're not seen.
No, it's okay if I'm not here. You guys are the stars. I was laughing from the very, very beginning. That when you came, you are. I'll write it and give the next biggest star. Star shine has also come out. How do you feel? You know, what is the, we've been asking what is the biggest compliment that everyone has been receiving, and you know, in every review I've noticed an entire paragraph dedicated now to the Cinema Bandi special appearance. Special cameo has your special cameo is like 3-4 lines. My special cameo is 1 word. I have a beef to pick with you. So how do you feel about that? Last minute, I think we asked for this. For you to come and do this favor for us, no?
No, I took money.
I thought I'd make him look better than he's determined.
No, అంటే ముందే Praveen said that Cinema Bandi world is there. I took a screenshot when he said that Maradesh Babu is back. Suddenly, randomly, 2 o'clock in the night, he sends his message. Morning, I see this, and I thought he's making a sequel or something. Yes, then, అరే ఒక చిన్న ఇది ఉంది రా. సరే, okay, whatever, but at least a theatrical and produced by one and only. And
But what compliment did you get? Like, what is the biggest compliment that you got after Shubham?
అంటే Maradesh Babuకి వచ్చే
Adi, we got our headline.
seriously, అంటే like all ఇట్లా షేడ్స్ ఇట్లా జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఇట్లా తీసుకుని
Kananchi, from there the screening started. Have you been to the theaters?
Of course, sir.
And the screening started from there. I was like, yeah, what?
Some people
What?
didn't watch Cinema Bandi. ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు?
Oh, God.
యాక్చువల్లీ స్క్రిప్ట్ విన్నప్పుడు మేము కూడా ఫుల్ ఎక్సైటెడ్
Yeah.
సినిమా మండి ఈస్ కమింగ్ అంటే అసలు
And that
నేను స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిన ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చింది.
So basically, I'm a very introvert by nature, but I'm on social media. I'm an extreme extrovert. So I don't wait a chance to post anything. But last 2 days I was controlling. అందరు ఇట్లా స్టోరీలు పెడుతున్నారు with that entry and all. I'm just not able to post it. Then yesterday నిన్న మన ప్రవీణ్ పర్మిషన్ తీసుకొని అట్లీస్ట్ నేను ఉన్నాను ఒక పోస్ట్ అక్కడికి అప్పుకుంటాను.
నేనైతే ఆ బోట్ సీన్ కి when you go and even her timing was like
క్లైమాక్స్ మంగా స్టోల్ ద షో అందరూ యాక్టర్స్
But imagine the main punch, the main moral of the story is told not by any of the
cast, which is I think that why we're getting this kind of response is that we broke every rule in the book. So I think that's just truly amazing, and we have we spoke a lot. We'll be just okay. Five last questions. Is there anything that you want to add to this life?
Ma'am, I just want to say, my friends theater ke like, they're watching the film, they're enjoying the film, but one guy said, when you are saying, ma'am ki itla, meer maamul maya kaadu annappudu, you'll give one expression.
That expression will give one second.
Ma'am,
So from the team of Shubham, because of your extraordinary response to us, we will do. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Do watch Shubham. It's out there. శుభం థియేటర్స్ లో ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
సో ఫాస్ట్ ఫీలింగ్స్ అవుతున్నాయి ఇప్పుడు మూవీ. సో ఎవ్రీబడి మౌత్ టాక్ నేను ఏదైతే స్పీచ్ ఇచ్చానో అది రియల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎవ్రీబడి ఇస్ నోయింగ్ ద ఫిలిం. సో గో అండ్ వాచ్ ఇట్. యూ విల్ ఫర్ షూర్ యూ విల్ ఎంజాయ్ ఇట్. ఇది మా ప్రామిస్. సో
yeah, watch it. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1 శుభం.
Bye. Thanks, ma'am.
Bye. See you in theaters.